Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing appspatch.com. So if you don't know what appspatch is, it is a website that claims to offer hacked versions of popular mobile games and apps, allowing users to access premium features or in-game advantages without payment. The site features a wide range of titles, including games like Warcraft Rumble, Grim Soul, Pokemon TCG Pocket, and Sims Free Play. As you can see right here, it is Sims Free Play, and Warcraft Rumble, and a lot more. So, however, there are significant concerns regarding the legitimacy and safety of the site. So, there are obviously security risks when it comes to hacked games or patched games. Engaging with such platforms can expose users to malware, phishing attacks, or data theft. So, please be careful of sites like these, since most of them are a scam. So, let's head on over to appspatch.com on Scam Advisor, and actually they're rated 86.100, and which is pretty high. And let's go over their positive highlights. So the SSL certificate is valid. This website is very old. This is an art and entertainment site. This website is safe according to the DNS filter. And the negative highlights is that they register as a high percent of spammers and fraud sites, and this website has received negative reviews. So actually, the site itself is not bad. However, if you do click on for example, this one, you will need to go to another link. So that link may take you to malware or phishing websites. So please be careful when using the site. It is not entirely a scam. However, do be careful and do some research before using this site. And that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.